Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm going to talk about the Fyers API historical data, the timestamp which it is there. I'm going to convert into date time. Okay, so if you search Fyers API Profit Data, I've been already done a post and video regarding to that. So if you visit, fetch historical data OHLCB from Fyers API, I've been given all of the things which is required for the data. Okay, so the purpose of this video is it's going to be mainly focused on the conversion, but the next video will be related to this particular video, where we exactly utilize this code to convert into candlestick chart. Okay, so for that purpose the conversion is required. Okay, and I already told you, like, you can do the conversion as per your requirement. Okay, otherwise you can utilize the timestamp for your data purpose. Okay, so right now, I just simplify this stuff. Okay, it is I just have to do nothing. Okay, so you can Google it out. You will reach this post, just copy the stuff. Okay, and paste your ideally. Okay, and just give it where exactly your URL is available. I mean, where your app ID and access token is available. Just give it that path. Okay, and your access token should be generated. Okay, so these are the things which we have to give, and everything is good. So first of all, we will check the data that we are receiving the data properly. Okay, so if your code is perfect, you will definitely get the data proper output. So as you can see, I am able to receive the data with the timestamp, okay, which I need to convert in required stuff. So first of all, I change this format, which has a date, open, high, low, close, and value. Okay, so these are the things which I have data, and I'm gonna take this data. So as of right now, what I'm doing, I require to, like, get in a proper way. So first of all, I take this response and convert in a required stuff. Then I'm gonna utilize for further things. So we say this response will convert as required. So what I have to say, suppose if it is in a data frame. Okay, because setting the timestamp is very much required for the candlestick data. Okay, and for other stuff as well, to observe where exactly data is there at which time frame. Okay, so we say df of date. Okay, and we utilize this to underscore date time. So we have to say in this way. Okay, and the modules will be the same for this stuff. Won't be any another required. So you have to follow this format. Okay, and you have to say unit equals yes. Okay, so first of all, I'll check whether I'm getting the df of data proper or not, to the conversion is correct or not. Okay, so I am gonna do step by step conversion. So here we are good. Okay, so only thing which you see is the date is not correct. So we are able to receive the timestamp data in a date time, but the date is not proper. Okay, because we have to receive from 9:15. Okay, so that is the date format, that is the timestamp. That is exactly how the data we get. Okay, so now what happens? The df of date should be in some conversion. I mean, I have converted, but it's not proper. So we said df of date, which will be dot dt dot TZ means time zone. Localize, okay, localize as UTC, and we will say same thing for our, we call this function to localize more. Okay, not to localize but to convert. So we got this stuff and we need to convert to the format for Indian format. So Kolkata. So we'll say like this, Asia Kolkata. Okay, and now next what happens? We will, we just have to follow this format as in normalize. I mean, you have to normalize. So like that. So just have to say none. Okay, and after this, when everything is good, okay, what you can say, df of df set underscore index, and there you have to mention the date. So you have to say about the index by setting this way. So we'll print and see that everything is good. So if we'll receive the proper date, so we can utilize for this candlestick data. So as you can see, from 9:15 I am getting the data, and today is 1 December. So as you can see, the data which I have been received. Okay, so that is also I'm able to receive this data. Okay, so if you try this stuff and if you still see any kind of a required rectification, you can do as per your requirement. Okay, I must say that I will paste this code as well, okay, in the same format which it is there, which you can utilize to convert. Okay, and in this case as well, say suppose if I'm talking about as a any kind of a other symbols, so in this way we can go. So if I say Tata Motors equity, so Tata Motors equity, how I can receive the data of Tata Motors equity in the required format. Okay, so this is what I got. So you can check, and the same time I'm receiving the volume also. So if it is indexed, there won't be any kind of a volume, but here we can see the volume as well. So the data is good, the format is best. So this is how you can follow. So I will paste this code. So follow the link in the description to utilize for your own purpose. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.